Welcome to our guide on creating a focal point with wall art and mini statues. Let's explore how these decor elements can transform your space into a stylish and engaging environment. A focal point is a key design element that draws the eye and sets the tone for the entire room. It serves as a visual anchor, creating order and balance. The focal point sets the mood and style for your space, whether it's a bold piece of wall art or a striking mini statue. It enhances visual interest and depth. Select wall art that is appropriately scaled for your space. Large pieces work well over sofas or beds, while smaller pieces can be grouped together to create a gallery wall. Choose mini statues that complement the materials and finishes in your room. Consider the style and subject to create different focal point effects. Hang wall art at eye level and position it above key pieces of furniture. This anchors the art to the furniture and creates a cohesive look. Use pedestals or stands to elevate mini statues, making them more prominent. Place them on shelves, tables, or to highlight corners. Combine wall art and mini statues to create a layered look. Integrate textiles and lighting to enhance the impact of your focal points. Use both symmetrical and asymmetrical arrangements to create balance. Surround your focal point with complementary decor items for a cohesive look. Use appropriate tools for hanging wall art and ensure statues are on stable surfaces. Avoid overcrowding and ensure the scale matches the space. Use spotlights or picture lights to highlight your wall art. Proper lighting enhances colors and details, making the artwork stand out. Hang a large piece of wall art over the sofa or bed and place matching mini statues on tables. Use a console table in the entryway with a statement piece of wall art and mini statues for a welcoming focal point. Creating a focal point with wall art and mini statues can significantly enhance your room's aesthetic appeal. Embrace these elements to elevate your home decor and create a space that is both beautiful and inviting.